We are gonna put noodles on Elena's tray and see what she does.
You ready? She's trying to throw it off. You just can't put it in your mouth. I don't think you're allowed yet. How does it feel? Is it squishy?
She's trying to push the noodles off. She doesn't know what to think. Mom, why are they sticking to me? More noodles.
How's it feel? What do you think about them? What do you think about your noodles? These are the forbidden stuff. I don't let you touch it. She hasn't even tried putting them in her mouth yet.
This is how she looks when she's really, really confused. Very confused.